If you want to offer unique commission rates for different products, you're in the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up unique commission rates, so you can optimize your sales strategy and maximize your earnings. First, let's talk about why you'd want to offer unique commission rates. The truth is, not all products should have the same commission. Some might require more effort to sell, others might have higher margins, and some might be seasonal. Customizing commission rates for each product helps motivate your affiliates to push the right items and gives them more incentives to focus on what makes the most sense for your business. To get started, you need to have a platform or software that allows you to easily customize commission rates. This software will allow you to adjust commission settings for each product individually, based on different criteria like product price, sales volume, or category. I've tested all the most popular platforms, and I'll be using this software to show you the exact process. And by the way, I've secured an exclusive free trial for this software, which you can access in the description below if you want to follow along. Now, let's break down the steps. First, log into your software and navigate to your affiliate or commission settings. You'll want to find the section where you can set up commission structures. Most platforms let you choose a fixed percentage or a flat rate for each sale. For unique commission rates, you'll want to set different values based on the product categories or product types you offer. For example, if you're selling a high-ticket item, you might want to offer a higher commission to motivate affiliates to push that product. On the flip side, if you have a low-margin product, you could reduce the commission rate to ensure you're still making a profit. Customizing commission for each product like this ensures you're rewarding affiliates appropriately based on the potential return for each product. Next, set up tiers if your software allows it. A tiered commission structure means affiliates can earn more as they sell more. For example, they could earn 10% on their first 10 products, 12% on the next 10, and so on. This type of structure encourages affiliates to increase their efforts as they work through your products. Make sure to tie these tiers to the specific products you want to highlight. This is how you create truly unique commission rates for each product. Once you've adjusted the commission rates for each product, don't forget to test the setup. Test a few transactions to make sure the system is calculating commissions as expected, and double-check that the unique rates are being applied properly. A quick tip here, pay attention to your affiliate feedback. They'll let you know if certain products are easier to sell and whether the commission rates feel fair. Adjusting your commission rates in response to their feedback helps maintain motivation and ensures a fair system. The key takeaway here is that offering unique commission rates for different products can significantly boost your sales by incentivizing affiliates to focus on the most profitable items. Customizing these rates ensures that you're rewarding affiliates for the effort they put in and getting the most value from your product offerings. To recap, start by selecting the right software for customizing commission rates, then adjust rates based on product value, margin, and sales potential. You can further incentivize affiliates with tiered rates and always test and adjust based on feedback. And remember, if you want to follow along, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've secured for you in the description below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit that trial link.